Temperature on the number line. This is a short little digital lesson. It's free, and it's something I added to my integer lessons to help students make the connection between a thermometer and a number line. So the lesson starts with asking students which temperature is colder, 0 degrees or -7 degrees. So they're going to drag and drop these points onto the number line. They just click and hold. So we've got 0 degrees. I'm going to place a point there, and -7. Which one is colder? Well, if they look at this thermometer, they can see that as they go down the number line, it gets colder. So here, -7 would be farther down the number line, so it would be a colder temperature. So they're going to type in -7. The next one, we're comparing 2 degrees and -5 degrees. So they place their numbers on the number line, and they can see that -5, -7 was the last one. -5 is going to be colder. They'll get a little practice doing this, so it really helps reinforce for them. Now the next one asks which is warmer, so they need to really read their directions and pay attention. Which one is warmer, -3 or -7? Well, they should be able to see by now that the farther to the right on the number line is the warmer temperature, so -3 would be warmer. And they're going to continue to do this. Next one, which is warmer, -5 or -1. And then what do they notice about the negative numbers? The farther I move down the thermometer, is it warmer or colder the temperature becomes. So if we're moving down, it's going to be colder. So they type in colder. And then on the final slide, they're placing these numbers in order on their thermometer. So if they've done this correctly, they will solve the riddle. So let's look at these numbers. So our highest number is going to be 82 degrees. So they just click and hold on the edge here, and they can place that up here as their warmest number. And then the next one would be 25 degrees. And then 4 degrees. Then 0 degrees. And they can see they're spelling out the answer to the riddle. Then -9. And then finally the coldest temperature, -25. So the riddle is, what did the police officer say when he thought he saw Frosty the Snowman stealing? Freeze. So that is a digital lesson, temperature on the number line.